In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Calendly with Mailchimp. This process will allow you to automatically add new invitees to your Mailchimp audience when they schedule a meeting through Calendly. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once you are signed in, look for the left navigation menu. Within this menu, locate and click on the option labeled Integrations Amps. This will take you to the integrations page where you can manage your connections. On the integrations page, you will find a search bar. Enter Mailchimp into this search field. After typing, you should see Mailchimp listed in the search results below. Click on the Mailchimp option to proceed to the next step. After selecting Mailchimp, look for a button labeled Connect. Clicking this button will trigger a Mailchimp login window to open. In this window, enter your Mailchimp account credentials to log in. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see an option to allow or authorize. Click this button to grant Calendly access to your Mailchimp account. Once you have authorized the connection, your Calendly account will now be connected to Mailchimp. The next step is to choose your Mailchimp audience, which is essentially your email list. After connecting, you will be prompted to select the Mailchimp audience where new invitees should be added. Make your selection carefully to ensure the correct audience is chosen. If prompted, you may need to map fields to ensure that the correct data is transferred. This typically includes fields such as name, email, and any questions or answers you wish to include. After mapping the necessary fields, click the Save button to finalize your settings to ensure that the integration works correctly. It is advisable to perform a test. Use your Calendly link to book a test meeting. After completing the booking, check your Mailchimp audience to confirm that the new invitee has automatically appeared. This verification will confirm that the integration is functioning as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.